Hello, my name is Gabriel from GABAQ USA. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade an Antminer. So in this case, it doesn't matter if you have a D3, L3, S9, or something else in the future. So any model that you have basically is the same thing. So I'm going to change the camera so that way I'll teach you how. So now I'm going to show you. If you have it, I'm going to show you how using a Mac it will fail. So if you're trying to use a Mac to upgrade your Antminer, it will not work, at least 2018 almost, at least with the system that we have right now, it doesn't work. But if that is your case, it's very easy. What you can do is, one, install a VirtualBox on your computer in your Mac, so it's for free. Otherwise, you can buy Parallels, or you can buy VMware. VMware is another option. You have to pay, but if you choose that route, you can buy some license. I can try to leave you a link where you can buy a Windows license for $20 or less. That way you can fix the issue. Otherwise, you can use a Windows machine, another computer, that will solve the problem. Another thing that you have to think about is get a UPS in case if you are in a place where the electricity is bad. So that way, if there is some kind of surge or something, your miner will not become a brick, because otherwise the miner will get ruined. So in order to avoid that, get a UPS. A UPS is called also a battery backup. Remember, these miners, they consume a lot of electricity, so if you use a UPS or battery backup, it should be at least 2000 watts. So let's start, and I'll show you step by step. First, we are going to use Google in order to find the firmware that we want to upgrade. So I'm going to show you firmware Antminer D3, and usually the first one or the second one we can try. So we are going to click on the first one, the second one, and let's see how it goes. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, the first one kind of is the same one like the latest one, but yeah, in this case we're going to upgrade the firmware, the D3. So as you can see, at least 2017, the latest one is S9, D3, L3, and you have many other ones. So if you have an old one, you should be able to see it over here. So in this case, as you can see, there is just only one. So we're going to see the date. I'm going to zoom in so that way you can see it better. So we have D3 2017, the month is 11 and the day is 20th. So we're going to download that. I'm going to zoom out, and we should have it just in a little bit. So in a few seconds we will see it. So meanwhile, I'm going to show you the S9. So here, as you can see, for some reason this S9 is having some issue. After you reboot it, it will start working as fine, but in this case, as you can see, we have many X's. So we have 1 0 over there, and as you can see, in this case, the hash rate is very low, so it should be around 17 at least. So as you can see, the average was about that, but in this case it's not working as it should. So I'll show you another part. So for some reason also I'm seeing in this board 83 Celsius. That is something wrong, because if you see the other one, the temperature seems to be fine, and I have another D3 that had this kind of the same issue. So after the upgrade, it seems like it got fixed. So I'm going to show you what to do. So now that the firmware has been downloaded in our computer, so we are going to go to System. As you can see, I'll try to zoom in so that way I don't have to zoom in with the software. So as you can see, now we see the version. So if you want to know the version that you're running, in this case we have August 31st 2017. So that is the version that we are running right now, and the version that we just downloaded was month 11th. So now we're going to go where it says upgrade, and then you go here where it says choose file, and then we go where it says download, and then we're going to choose this one. As you can see, we're going to double click, and then we're going to click on flash, and then it says, are you sure? We are going to click on yes, okay, in this case. So I'm going to zoom out so that way you can see it. And basically that's it. So it's going to start in a little bit. Invalid Magic Tar. I'm going to try with Firefox, and let's see if we have the same error. We're going to click here where it says file, and then we go download. We're going to download this one, upload it, yeah. Invalid. Okay, if that doesn't want to work, we are going to try to use our Windows machine. Okay, and now we are going to try it with our Windows computer. As we can see here, we are going to see go. Okay, great. So we have this one. You see, this is the latest one before I tried. Okay, now as you can see, everything seems to be working just properly. We're going to zoom in, zoom out. Without this, I don't like that. There we go. That is what I wanted. Cool. Okay, now we're going to system here. We're going to upgrade once again. Then we're going to flash. Yes. Let's hope it's there. Let's go to the downloads. Let's go to the downloads. So you can see we have here the file. We're going to upgrade it here using our Windows computer. We are using Firefox in this case, so as you can see, it seems like it likes more Windows environment than the Mac. Great, and it's working there right now. As you can see, the only thing that we have to do is just wait and wait 90 seconds. So I'm going to speed up the video so that way we don't have to wait that long. Okay, great. As you can see, we just finished. We have November right now, as you can see over here. So we have the new firmware, and that is the date. So here we have an error. It says socket connect fail. We will try to reboot the unit, and let's see how it goes. Okay, now we are going to click on system. As you can see, we don't have any more errors, so everything was gone after the reboot. We have the latest version of the upgrade, so now we're going to see. Here we can set it. I mean, if we want to overclock it, we can click over here, and then we will see all the frequencies. Otherwise, we can leave it like the way it is, and then we go here. As you can see here, we will see everything seems to be fine. We have the optimal speed, so we have 19 gigahashes. Basically that's it. So that is how you have to do in order to upgrade the unit. So if you have any questions, always leave it in the section below. If you want to buy one of my classes, you can go to gabakusa.com, and remember, click in the little bell so that way every time I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. See you next time. Bye.